Hello friends, I am Dr. Kanu Verma. I am a consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist practicing in Dwarka, Delhi. Today I am going to say something about the very common skin problem, which is acne. This is a very common problem which is because of the inflammation of the pilosebaceous unit of our skin, which is attributed to the androgen hormone activities or keratinization problem, or related to the bacterial P. acne infection in the gland, and so on. Sometimes usually the stress, environment, food habits, they do not have the direct impact on the acne, but indirectly they cause the acne. Okay, now the acne, sequelae of acne is acne scars. Actually the scarring is the problem. Acne scars occurs when the inflammatory changes and infection in the pilosebaceous unit exceeds the skin repair mechanism. There can be of two types of acne scar: hypertrophic or raised scars, or atrophic or depressed scars. Hypertrophic scars, when the repair mechanism is over and excessive, so there is more collagen formation and the scars are raised over the skin. Atrophic or depressed scars are, it could be key when there is a loss of skin tissue from the skin, though that causes the skin couldn't repair it properly, and there comes the depressed scars. It could be of ice pick type scars, box scars, rolling scars. One more thing, sometimes there is no scarring over the skin, but acne heals leaving behind the pigmentary changes over the skin, that we call hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. There are many type of treatment for the acne scars, not only the medicine but chemical peels, microdermabrasion, micro needling processes. Micro needling includes derma rollers, derma pens, then laser treatment. All these treatments you have to go through a sequelae of treatment, so that the skin and the skin becomes smooth and scars fade away. There are some do's and don'ts for the acne and acne scars. You should not pick and prick the acne or pimples when they are. There is very good temptation ki that squeeze off that white pus from the acne so it won't leave a scar. Don't keep on touching the acne. Don't pricking them, pressing them, squeezing them. Don't wash them frequently. You cover your face always while going out of the house. Wear the sunscreen. Cover your face with a dupatta or scarf, so that it prevents skin from the pollution. This is the normal measures from which you can prevent the acne scar to an extent. Drink lots of water, have a healthy lifestyle, more of the fruits and veggies in your diet, avoid junk food, and if you need any further consultation or details about the treatment, then you can contact me through the Liberate.